you want to know how a bad hair day looks like, demo number one. It's been raining non-stop in Delhi since morning, and after that moong dal experience, I thought I should search for another great recipe. After that amazing masoor dal pack that I had, my skin became so clean that I could visibly see blackheads. So I found another ingredient that works on your blackheads and acne. It's called fenugreek, aka Meethi. Very simple ingredients, guys. So this is our methi, which is fenugreek seeds. We'll take 2 spoons and grind it in a mixer, and we'll be adding a bit of yogurt. Consistency is up to you. This is done. My skin feels super supple and soft, though I would recommend not to keep it for too long because the pack gets really hard. That's why you see these red marks, because I have to struggle.